Hello, here in this video we're going to talk about our new feature about import stock levels from Magento to Odoo. So as you can see, we are on our cell integration Magento on initial import tab, and here we can see import stock levels button. So if we will click on it, we can see a new field where we can specify location to import stock. So to see how it works, let's compare our products in Odoo and Magento. So we can see our product drawer and quantity on hand is 65. And if we go to Magento, we can see that the quantity in Magento is 100. So if we set location, for example, warehouse stock, and click on import, we can see that 2 jobs were created. Let's check them. Here we can see a lot of jobs for each product from Magento to Odoo. So if we'll update our page, maybe it's not so fast because a lot of products importing their stocks. Let's update one more time. And here we can see that the quantity was successfully updated, is 100, the same as in Magento. So this is how it works.